Welcome to our channel. If you want to install the Unlimited Entertainment app on your Firestick using a downloader code, follow these step-by-step instructions for endless entertainment options. Step 1. Turn on your Firestick and use the search function to find and install the downloader app. Step 2. Open the downloader app and click the URL bar on the main screen. Step 3. Type in the downloader code for Unlimited Entertainment Firestick and press Go. Step 4. Allow the APK file to download completely. Monitor the download progress on screen. Step 5. When the download finishes, an install prompt will appear. Click Install to proceed. Step 6. Wait for installation to complete, then click Done. Consider deleting the APK file afterward. Step 7. Return to your Firestick home screen and find unlimited entertainment in your applications. Step 8. Launch the app and enjoy unlimited access to movies, TV shows, live channels, sports, documentaries, and more. Browse through different categories and discover new content daily across all entertainment genres. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.